Hello everybody. So in this particular video, I am trying to bring before you a compilation of the weekly The Hindu newspaper, and mostly the compilation is not about any important news article or any particular topic. It's only about an example that you can quote or you can pick up to justify a point or to justify your arguments in your GS answers, so that you can fetch better marks. Now, okay, so without further ado, I'll begin. The first newspaper article is about President Ramnath Kovind, where he highlights the climate crisis. Now, the quotation here is: "The Mother Nature is in deep crisis and agony, and in deep agony, and the climate crisis can endanger the very future of this planet." Now, these were the words of President Ramnath Kovind in his farewell speech, which highlights the graveness of this issue for the country today. All right, so you can use it in introduction or in conclusion or in any form that you like. ठीक है, इसमें इतना ही आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. Now the next newspaper article is about the Vice President of India, Venkaiah Naidu, where he says that the new generation should follow the path of non-violence. Now it comes in basically the way you can use it. तो GS1 में the culture का paper, GS1 में culture में the importance of bhakti literature, bhakti movement, it's an important topic for UPSC. तो भक्ति movement आज की डेट में किस तरीके से you can bring back its ideals, its basic credentials, and how you can incorporate it in in the living standards of individuals, so in bettering the living standards of individuals. So basically here Mr. Kovind says that it's very important for our generation, younger generation, to get back to our roots and follow the path of non-violence, spirituality and universal brotherhood. So ये छोटा सा कोट है, इसको आप कहीं लिख लीजिए एंड इसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं in for example, you can conclude your answer in bhakti movement by saying that the Vice President of India has also highlighted how bhakti is an important facet for an individual's personality, so that they can grow better or so that they can foster ideals of universal brotherhood. तो ऐसे करके आप कुछ लिख सकते हैं कंक्लूजन में, या फिर you can also use it in society paper, where you can write about how younger generation is falling prey to various crimes and drug abuses etc. तो वहाँ पे you can use कि ऐसा path spirituality का, universal brotherhood का, non violence का, जो कि preach कर रहा, जो कि हमारी भक्ति and this also, that this bhakti runs through the veins of Indians. Now this thing also you can use. ठीक है, so हाँ, इसमें से इतना ही important है. हाँ, one more thing is that you can also write that share and care is the core of our Indian philosophy and we must continue to follow it for a better tomorrow. All of this you can cite somewhere or the other. ठीक है, बस the point is that you have to jot it down somewhere, you write it, make sure that you understand कि आप कहाँ इसको डाल सकते हो. ठीक है. This particular newspaper article is about an initiative in Andhra Pradesh, where the CM of Andhra Pradesh is trying to basically is giving a directive to the government offices to bring about this poster, to display posters in the government offices of Anti-Corruption Bureau with a toll-free complaint number at all government offices and hospitals within 3 weeks. So इतना important नहीं है, बस ये important है कि आप लिख सकते हो corruption के लिए GS4 में कि एक केस स्टडी के फॉर्म में आंध्र प्रदेश की, जहाँ पे द आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज़ ट्राइड टू कम हेविली डाउन अपॉन द केसेस ऑफ करप्शन बाय स्ट्रिक्टली इनकॉर्पोरेटिंग सर्टन पोस्टर्स विच कंपल्सरीली हैव एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो का फ़ोन नंबर या देयर क्रेडेंशियल्स या ऐसा करके. ठीक है, तो ठीक है. Now in GS3 we can definitely quote this example in environment where climate change का effect on biodiversity is asked, for example, या फिर आप खुद कुछ ऐसा point अगर लिख रहे हो जहाँ पे adverse impact on biodiversity and the species उसको बताना चाहते हैं, तो we can write this example that a light mantled albatross that was spotted on the Rameshwaram coast earlier this year, या ऐसा करके you can write, is a classic example of how species are getting relocated as a result of global warming, as a result of changing wind pressures, because here it's clearly written that changes in the wind pattern triggered by global warming, they are bringing strange birds to our region, and a lot of changes are happening in the wind pattern owing to the increase in the atmospheric temperature. Birds like albatross that are known to be on the move use the wind and save their energy during flights. Now, even slight changes in the temperature can cause drastic changes in the wind pattern, and birds could land in faraway places that are not familiar to them. और इसमें वन मोर पॉइंट यू कैन कनेक्ट दैट वी ऑल नो दी एग्जॉटिक स्पीशीज़ का कॉन्सेप्ट, जहाँ पे basically a non या an alien species is basically introduced in a foreign land or in a land which is not familiar to it. So ultimately it tries to adapt, but what happens as an adverse effect is the endemic species are at a loss. So this is of course a threat to biodiversity, and you can cite it as an example because it's nothing that you're making it up. ये दिया हुआ है, ये हुआ है, so you can use it in your essays also. In GS2 civil society, this one news article which has come, you can definitely use it, जहाँ पे basically जो आपका single use plastic का ban है, it has made a SHG in Himachal Pradesh use machines to take the production of this bowl of by making leaf plates to another level. So this you can read: the nationwide ban on the single-use plastic has come as a boon for local folks, especially women in the villages of the hill state of Himachal Pradesh, who are involved in traditional leaf plates and bowl, as the demand for these eco-friendly products is rising. So how the cooperation of SHGs and how the role of women in taking governance forward or in taking the policy forward, for policy implementation forward, is crucial for the government. And here one small case study is also given. It's very small, छोटा सा anecdote that you can use in your essay if it's asked, जहाँ पे 29-year-old Kusum Devi from Bendhar village is upbeat as the number of orders for her leaf plates and bowls is gradually increasing. तो यहाँ पे I would say कि you can use it definitely as a in an essay में, जहाँ पे आप start कर सकते हो. However, you can थोड़ा सा आप इसको मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आया कि फर्स्ट आई से कि कैसे शी वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग टू मेक स्क्वायर मील्स अ डे, एंड सडनली मतलब ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, थिंग्स आर फॉलोइंग इन टू प्लेस, एंड देन शी इज़ फाइंडिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट इन सच थिंग, एंड उसको काफ़ी बून मिला और उसकी इनकम काफ़ी बूस्ट हुई. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है, एंड इट एक्चुअली हैपेंड, आवर इनकम हैज़ मोर देन डबल्ड नाउ, दो इट कीप्स वेरिंग डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द डिमांड. तो मतलब ये चीज़ें जो है इट कीप्स अ लास्टिंग इम्पैक्ट बिकॉज इट्स नॉट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट मेकिंग इट अप, इट्स एक्चुअली हैपनिंग. तो ये चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड हाँ, एक और चीज़ कि यहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल कोलैबोरेशन, दैट इज़ जापानीज़ की जो जापान इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन एजेंसी है, इट्स बेसिकली हेल्पिंग these SHGs टू मॉडर्नाइज या टू मेक द प्रोसेस मैकेनिकल सो दैट दे कैन रीच इट टू अ मास. ठीक है. Then this particular example I thought that it's kind of थोड़ा लाइट हार्टेड example है, जहाँ पे एक कश्मीरी पंडित, he has gone back to his homeland, and he has opened a state of the art heart care center for the poor and the needy in the Pulwama district. All right, so this you can write in public service, public collaboration, community service, in ethics, where you can cite this example. ऐसी छोटे से example है, ऐसी छोटे छोटे example ही काम आते हैं GS4 में actually. Now this example has more to do with your GS3 paper, GS2 as well as GS3 environment में भी ये है ही. तो यहाँ पे जो है एक सिविल सोसाइटी, ये देख सकते हो, अरावली बचाओ सिटीजन मूवमेंट है, विच इज़ बेसिकली हेल्पिंग क्रिएट अवेयरनेस as well as it's basically mobilizing public opinion against illegal mining in the Aravallis, या फिर deforestation, rampant deforestation in the Aravallis. So ये एक citizen movement है, एक civil society movement है. As an example, you can definitely quote in your answer, and you can jot it down or you can read the speech. So this is all for the video. Thank you for your patience, and I hope you really liked it, and please do comment on how I can improve and further suggestions, and I will definitely work upon them.